Now, the next thing I would like to look at are the if statements, or how the if statements are written in Python. So as I said, this is indentation language, okay? So here we care about the indentation levels, and here you will see how this works. So let's imagine that we're driving a car, okay? We're driving the car on the highway, and our required speed is 100 miles per hour. So this is the maximum speed we can drive with. Above this speed we're breaking the law, but also if you drive with under 20 miles per hour, then this means that you are driving too slow, and you are also not allowed to do this on the highway. So if you would like to create some code that is checking that, how we do it? Well, we do this with if statements. So the first thing I will do is I will simply create a car speed, and here we will add the value of our speed. Let's say that our speed is allowed 100 kilometers per hour, right? And now let's create some logic here, and we can use for that the if statements. So let's write if car speed is higher than 100 miles per hour. Actually, I will make our speed here to be equal to 70. So if the car speed is higher than 100 miles per hour, then you write this symbol here. And as you can see now, the line or the cursor is getting inside this if statement. And this is because if we write outside or right here, then this will not be added as a condition of the if statement. Okay, so here we say if the car speed is higher than 100, then we would like to print to the driver, you drive too fast. Okay, and then since we're getting out of this if statement, we need to write on the same indentation level. And here I will say else if. So here I will add another condition. So if something else happens, we'll write it by else if car speed is smaller than 20 miles per hour, then I would like to print to the driver that he is driving too slow. So I will say you drive too slow. This is a highway. That's it. And in every other case, so else, and you write else for every other case. So this means when the speed is not higher than 100 and it's not smaller than 20, then we can print your speed is good. Okay, and then here I will just print ready, so you can see on the screens that we're ready with the loop. Okay, now let's run the code and see what is going to happen. So now, since our speed is 70, this means that our speed is good because it's between 20 and 100. However, if the speed is higher than 100, so let's say 110, let's see what is going to be printed here. You drive too fast. If I reduce the speed to 10 miles per hour, then if we run the code, obviously our speed will be too slow. This is a highway. And this is how you basically use the most simple case of the if statements in your code in order to decide between different conditions.